Removing the rear passenger sliding window. This is a Citan. It's also applicable to a Renault. The glass needs replacing. The first thing is to remove the handle, and that has a torque. It's a 30, and that will then, you'll be able to lever with a small screwdriver, and that will pop out. As you can see, this is the back of the panel. There are 3 at the bottom. You start at the bottom, and really there's 5. This one's broken. Start at the bottom of the panel and work your way up. Use lubricant and gently open. And this is what you will find once you're inside. 3 along the bottom. 2, 2, 2. There'll be a torque holding the handle in place. T30 torque. Remove that. Start from the bottom. Preferably remove the door. It's quite simple. 2 are pins. 1 is a pin. You can then lift the door, and there are 2 positioning bolts at the bottom of the door, which spray with some white paint to locate them, relocate the door accurately. And I'll show you this again, because this is the important part. Start at the bottom. You've 3 along the bottom, that one slightly up, midway, and at the top. When you're removing the liner, use a hot air gun and play it on the metalwork, not on the plastic lining. Play it on the metalwork, gently peel it back, and as you do so, use your craft knife to trim. Before you prise each one off, each securing little pine cone off, slide that in and lubricate it. To reassemble it, use silicone grease on those location points so that reassembly is easier. Leave that located. This is a nightmare, so leave that in place, work round it.